So I've just got the Stihl MSA160 C. So first time seeing it or using it. So I'm just going to unbox it. Charger. Battery. It's a bit of a shout out to Kyle Hall, woodworker. I think he's in the US. He put me onto this, so he does quite a good review on this. So, and he uses this for chainsaw carving, which is what I want to do with it. So So made in Austria. I don't know if you can see that. It's a good size. It's similar to, I use this one for carving, so it's similar to that in size. The MS181 C. The thing is that you can't put the dog teeth spikes on this one. The plastic ones are pretty useless. They may as well not be there. So you can buy these as an accessory and screw these on bolts there. And these are metal. They just give you that much more grip when you're cutting wood. So I always put these on. But I noticed on this you can't. There's nowhere for them to screw in. Anyway, you get the scabbard. The bar. And the quarter chain. Yeah, standard thing for them. And instruction book as well. Still normally put a date on there, so I'm trying to find a date. 2021, 11/2021. Yeah, there's not much to say about it really, other than how does it go. I'll put it together anyway. Have another closer look. As you guys bar, it's pretty close to a carbon bar anyway. If you look at a made for carbon bar, it's not that far off. So straight out of the box, you can carve with it. That's what they call it, the dime tip. There's no sprocket. This does have a sprocket, but other than that, it's a little bit bigger. It might actually be the same, but I'm sure that's yeah, 12, and that's a 12. So there's not a lot in it. These are a pain. Okay. A quarter pitch chain. Pretty small chain. So just a close-up of the bar and chain going on. After you've screwed that on, a screw like that. Bar on, chain on. Just like that. And let the hole, take it off. Let's get the chain in the rail. Pull it tight. Make sure it's in that top rail. Tighten it up. As you turn back, make sure it goes in the rail. And it doesn't. testing the rail now. Test. Never really pull on a chain like that unless you're wearing gloves, because they can cut you quite bad. Anyway, put the guard on. So it gets a bit tight. Check the chain tension. Not too bad. Tighten it. Let's go back a bit. I'm gonna go back a bit more. Right. Give a good check, make sure. Loosened off again a bit, but that's okay. Chain brake seems to be a mechanical brake by the sounds of it, which does lock the bar. Yeah. Yeah, so in the next video I'll give it a test anyway. See how it goes. I got that one for now. So that's going to need a charge anyway before I use it, which I'll go and do. And in the next video I'll do some demonstrating of the saw. As I say, I've got it to maybe replace this. It's a lot lighter. That one's a lot lighter than this, and plus it's no good working with, you know, fossil fuels all day. You end up smelling it on yourself 24 hours a day. So that's the idea, is to help with the battery saw. So ideally I would like it to replace this, but only time will tell, and we'll see. As I say, Kyle Hall, woodworker, he seems to do okay with his little 160. So we'll see. So in the next video I'll do a little test, see how it does some carving maybe. So the decibel test for the MSA160 C. Just going to give it a try now. Seems quite loud. Definitely wear earmuffs.